This is a classical steamed banana. Now I'm gonna try the cassava. Honestly, it's undercooked. I don't see any monkey yet. Hopefully there will be no monkey attacking me. We are entering this suspension bridge, which is one of the longest suspension bridge in West Java. Good day and welcome back to part 2 of Situgunung series, and in this video I'm going to show you the second attraction in Situgunung Forest Park, and that is Curug Sawer Waterfall. To reach a waterfall, I have to hike through another rocky tracks for maybe 3 to 4 kilometers from the suspension bridge stop post. As far as I goes deeper inside the park, I noticed that the tracks leads down into the forest valley, which makes it easy for me to hike through the path. I think we're getting close to the falls. I'm not gonna lie, my leg is really hurt of hiking through this place. I can already see the waterfalls. It's right in front of me. On my way to the waterfall, I can see there is a small river by the path, so I decided to take a foot deep into the river, and the water is really cold and crystal clear, so it's a good form of relaxation for my feet after a long hiking. So there's a falls, Curug Sawer, which they're gonna name it. Some people are taking a shower there.
A few moments later.
Alright, you guys. If there is one thing that it's easy to get down from the mountain, it is always tough to go to the top. And I have to get through the same path when I got through to the bridge, and I asked the local if there's any shortcut nearby, and they answered that there is no shortcut except if you take a motorbike taxi. And I went ask the motorbike taxi to get me to the parking area, and they charged me for 20,000 rupiah. As you can see, I'm still, I don't know, maybe 2 kilometers away from the top, but my leg is really hurt, and I can feel I might get a splinter on my foot because I step on the rock, and it's really unbearable. Despite me having a pain in my legs, eventually I managed myself to get through until I found the exit way. And I learned my lesson after I walking through the rocky tracks in Situgunung, and that is, don't go hike if you are wearing a slippers. Finally, just going through this pathway. It'll be our exit way. This is definitely the toughest hike I ever had. After Gunung Padang, this is definitely the hardest. Alright, I'm gonna end this video here. I can't even talk. Alright, I hope you guys, and I'm gonna end this video here. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I'll see you again on the next destination. Peace.